To remove window tint, try using a razor blade and soapy water. First, use the razor blade to make a cut in the corner of the window tint so you can peel up the film. Then, grasp the cut corner and peel the film off of your window. If it doesn't come off in one piece, repeat the process with the rest of the film until it's all off. Fill a spray bottle with water and dish soap, and spray the soapy water onto your window. Carefully scrape off the adhesive left from the window tint with the razor blade, applying more soapy water as you go. Finally, clean your window with a glass cleaner and paper towels once you've removed all of the adhesive. You can also remove window tint using a hairdryer. First, turn the hairdryer on high and hold it 2 inches, 5 centimeters away from one of the corners on the window tint for 30 seconds. Then, use your fingernail or a razor blade to peel up the corner of the film. Continue to heat sections of the film for 30 seconds at a time, slowly peeling it up as you go. Once the film is all off, rub off any remaining adhesive with a towel.